Okay, let me continue. So last time we have finished this example, okay, reading multiple choice tests. Now we have the grades for every student. So this is the student 0, student 1, student 2, and so on. Now we have the key. The key is the answer from the teacher. So if I go to the item, this will be the matrix. Okay. Now, my first question. Okay, we have this distance formula. My question is, we want to check the nearest point. So the nearest point means we have 8 points. So we are going to check this point and this point. And then we are going to check this point and this point. We are going to check this point and this point. And so on. And we want to find the nearest one. We call it the nearest. It can be the same with the shortest. Okay. So the shortest means if we have the distance between 2 points, and then if the distance is shorter than the shortest distance, then update the P2, P1, and then make the shortest distance equal to D. Okay, so my next question. Okay, so the first function here we have x1, y1, x2, y2. Here we have one parameter, points. So what is the meaning by points? Do you know Sudoku? So there is one example how to make the Sudoku game. You know that the rule is every row should contain any number between 9 and 1 until 9, and also every column should have also number from 1 to 9, and all numbers should be different. And also the box, inside the box should have also number from 1 until 9, and its number should be different. Okay. Now, what is the code for this problem? I give you the code. Let's see the code. So in this code, first I have a function is valid. And then I have another function is valid add. So those two are functions and they have different kind of parameter. The first parameter is giving a grid, and the other parameter is giving the I and j and also the grid. Now you can look at this. We want to know what is the input, what is the grid, and what is I and j and grid. I gave you this file, check Sudoku solution and test check Sudoku solution. So here we have a line, check Sudoku solution. What does it mean? From check Sudoku solution, import is valid. What does it mean? Enter a Sudoku solution. Five, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 6, 7, 2, 1, 9, 5, 3, 4, 8, 1, 9, 8, 3, 4, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 9, 7, 6, 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 6, 5, 3, 7, 9, 1, 7, 1, 3, 9, 2, 4, 8, 5, 6, 9, 6, 1, 5, 3, 7, 2, 8, 4, 2, 8, 7, 4, 1, 9, 6, 3, 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 8, 6, 1, 7, 9. So after we input this solution, then it gives you whether it is a valid or not. How do we know it is a valid or not? So we can go to this valid function. So this valid function, it will be a loop. So it will check for every of the grid. I is from 0 until 9, j is from 0 until 9. And then we want to check if grid ij is less than I, or grid ij is higher than 9. So if this one is okay, is correct, then it's false. Okay, you know that the number should not be less than 1. And the number should not be higher than 9. So if the number is higher than 9 or the number is less than 1, it is false. And the other condition which is false is it is not valid for I, j. What is this one? The I, j is not valid if this one. So if the column is not the same with j and the grid I column is not equal to grid I, j. So we want to check for every of the column. Okay, we want to check for all the column whether it is not the same with the j. And then we want to check for the row. For the row should not be the same with the I, and we will also check for all the row. If all the row is not same, then it is true. But if one of the row is the same, or this one, if row equals to I, then false. So this is the validation on every of the cell. And we want to check the grid multiply 3 multiplied by 3. So every 3 we will check. So here I divided by 3, and then I divided by 3 multiplied by 3, and then I divided by 3 multiplied by 3 plus 3. So it means we want to check the first 3 multiplied by 3, and then we want to check the other 3 multiplied by 3, and then we want to check the next 3 multiplied by 3. So the same with this one, we want to check this 3 multiplied by 3, and then we want to check 3 multiplied by 3, we want to check 3 multiplied by 3. And this is the formula. Okay. That's why when we input this one, it will check every row, and then it will check every 3 multiplied by 3. Every 3 multiplied by 3. I think I give you the Sudoku GUI. So this is just an introduction about the GUI. GUI is the graphical user interface. So when you do your team project, I would like you to build also the GUI, graphical user interface. Let's see. If I run this, then you don't need to input the number one by one. You can input in this. Okay. So you can input here. Let's say I want to input 5, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 9, 2, and then 6, 7, 2, 1, 9, 5, 3, 4, 8, 9, 3, 4, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 9, 7, 7, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 6, 8, 5, 3, 7, 9, 1, 7, 1, 3, 7, 2, 4, 8, 5, 6. And then 9, 6, 1, 5, 3, 7, 2, 8, 4, 2, 8, 7, 4, 1, 9, 6, 3, 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 8, 6, 1, 7, 9. And then I can just click validate, and then it shows the solution is valid. The idea is the same with the previous problem, but now we are just using the user interface. So we will learn more about the user interface in maybe next 2 weeks. Okay. And I hope in your team project you can apply the user interface. Okay, the remaining one is about the multi-dimensional list. Let me finish until this part. Okay, what does it mean by multi-dimensional list? If we have 2 dimensional lists, then it's like this one. Okay. So this is 2 dimensional list. But what if we have multi-dimensional list? So if you look this one, in the list, we have a list inside the list, and inside the list we have another list. So it means 3 or 3 dimensional. You can have 4 dimensional. You can have 5 dimensional. You can have 6 dimensional. Now let's see, this one is just a multi-dimensional list. So the scores I have, this is the student score. Or yeah, we can have like if I have scores I, j, k. So the I represent the index 1. Which student is this one? And then the j represent which exam is this one. And then the k represent whether it is a multiple choice or easy. So yeah, you can have another kind of solution. Okay. So for example, this one, the scores the index 0 of the scores, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have 5 lists inside the index 0. So in this index 0 of index 0, we have 2 problems. So index 0, this is index 0, index 0. This is index 0, index 1. This is index 0, index 2. This is index 0, index 3. This is index 0, index 4. So if we want to access this one, then what should we do? Index 0, and then index 4, and then index 0. Okay, we call this is the 3-dimensional list. Okay, the remaining of those problems are only examples to show the multi-dimensional list. I guess if you understand this one, you can look at the problem of weather information, and you can look also the problem in this guessing birthday, and you can try to run it from the pie chart. So for example, in the weather, oh, I need to input something. Oh. Let me just use the guess birthday. So it is a kind of question. What is your birthday? Is your birthday is in this range? If yes, then you can say 1. If no, you can say 0. Let's say, okay, my birthday is 15. Okay, okay, I have this number. I have 15, so I put 1. Now, 15 is available in this set. Yes, we have 15, so I put 1. Is 15 is available in the set? Okay, yes. Okay, I put 1. Is 15 available in the set? Yes, I put 1. And then is 15 available in the set? No. So I put 0. And they can find out that my birthday is on 15. Okay. You can take a look on this one. So they have a list of dates and they want to ask according to this list of dates. And if it is available, then they can know what is your possible dates. So this is the condition. We have the for loop, and if every of the answer is 1, then yeah, we will add the numbers. Okay, I will stop here. Let's have a break. I will continue after the break.